Farrakhan must know that it doesn't take 600 years to breed out black. Incest and albinism are some of the leading causes of melanin deficiency in physical characteristics such as skin color, eye color, and hair color. Yet none of these characteristics can guarantee blackness any more than they can guarantee non-blackness. If an albino child has two black parents, that child wouldn't be considered white. And if that very same child miraculously mated and procreated with another albino, and their child was a third generation albino, is that child not black? If there is any truth to this theory, I would parallel the creation of white people around 600 years ago instead of 6,000 years ago. Although white people most likely are slightly older than 600. Can any truth be deciphered from this story? We could parallel the creation of white people around 6,000 years ago and instead divide that by 10 and make it around 600 years ago. Ancient history, chronological history, and understanding of scripture and archaeology all seem to support the stance that there were no Caucasians found in any archaic strata to lead anyone to believe that they had been ruling or even existed for 6,000 years. Although 600 years would make more sense, the most significant archaic strata that resembles the DNA of Caucasians comes from Homo erectus and Australopithecus. Could there have been a point in time when 10th generation albinos could have degenerated into the form of apes? Or could the 10th generation of albino unions create what we know today as Caucasians? What happened to the men who ascended to the top of the Tower of Babel and said, "We shall serve our own gods"? These questions and more on the next episode of The Smartest Beast in the Field.